Hi dear students, in this class we are discussing the MCQ questions on 2025 1, 2, 3 question paper. In last class we were discuss the 2024 1, 2, 3 question paper. I hope you are doing well, and again all the best for your annual examination. So focus on all the MCQs at this time. So these are the very important MCQs for annual examinations. So now I will start with the first question. And here they are asking the definition of the relation of the which one, that is reflexive relation. You know already, that is if a is belongs to a comma a is related to a comma a is related to a itself, then it is belongs to relation, then it is called a reflexive relation. And the principal value of sine inverse of 1 by 2, and you know already the inverse of 1 by root 2, when it will come for the 1 by root 2, it is will be 5 by 4. And now match the following. Domain of sine inverse x, it will be minus 1 to 1. And what is the range of tan inverse x? That is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Range of cos inverse x, it will be 0 to pi. I hope the colors are matching. And a3 and b1, a3 b1 c2, option d is correct. And for 2 cross 2 matrix you can do this is the previous question, 2i minus j, you can do it. And now a be a non-singular matrix of order 3 cross 3 and adjoint of a. Determinant of adjoint of a is equal to determinant of a to the power n minus 1. What is n? That is order of the matrix. What is order of the matrix? The order of the matrix is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, then it will be a square. I hope you understood. And now f of x is cos 2x. They are asking f dash of 5 by 4. You have to differentiate the first one, that is minus sine 2x. Differentiation of 2x will be 2. At 5 by 4, sine 2 pi by 4 into 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Sine pi by 2, it will be 1. So minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. Now for the given figure, consider the following statement. I already explained in class, don't worry again. So here it is, the function is there. Where the sharp edge is there, their function is not differentiable. It is continuous everywhere, but not differentiable. Here it is there. Then it means what? Left hand derivative of. What is the definition of this function? If it is right hand side is there, it will be x minus 1. If it is left hand there, it will be x plus 1. So now we have to define this function x minus 1. X minus 1 minus x minus 1. It is left hand, it is a right hand. ये इसका डिफरेंशिएशन किए तो 1 आएगा, इसका किए तो माइनस 1 आएगा, 1 ना माइनस 1. सो लेफ्ट हैंड कितना है? माइनस 1, करेक्ट है. द फंक्शन एफ ऑफ एक्स इज डिफरेंशिएबल. अरे बाबा कैसे? इस इधर शॉर्प एज है ना, तो डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है, ये क्या होना चाहिए था? नॉन. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट, स्टेटमेंट 2 is false, then option A is correct. Now the absolute maximum value of which one? X cube, that is nothing but minus 2 to 2. 2 आप substitute किए तो 80 आएगा. And e to the power x sin x minus cos x. And here it is, the confusion is there, that is the formula, standard formula. What is that? Integral of e to the power x f plus f dash. So here differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, but here it is minus sin x is not there. We have to convert it. Take minus outside and e to the power x. Now cos x plus minus sin x. Now e to the power x, f plus f dash of x, f plus f dash of x. Then the answer will be e to the power x f with negative sign. What is f? Cos x. E to the power x cos x with negative sign. I hope you understood. You have to take common outside, then you'll get the answer. And what is the degree of the differential equation? Here e to the power dy by dx, sine of dy by dx, function of differentiable is there, then it is not a defined. Then answer is not defined. And 11th question, the direction cosines of the vector Pareto. What is the direction cosines ai bj ck if a b c are direction ratios? A divided by a square plus b square plus c square, very easiest. Then divided by root 6 is there, 1 divided by root 6 minus 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6. This is the answer. Then option B is correct. The angle between the vectors a and b with AB is 2 and a dot b. This is also repeated question. So cos theta equal to a dot b divided by magnitude of a, magnitude of b, root 6 divided by 2 into root 3. So here it is root 6. You can write root 3 1 za, root 3 2 za. It means root 2. Then you will get root 2 divided by 2. It will be 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 cos will come at 5 by 4. The equation of y-axis in space. So x and z are 0. And a is 1 by 2. B given a is 2 by 3. A intersection b. So b given a. What is the formula of b given a? B given A is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. B given A is 2 by 3. Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A is 1 by 2. You have to cross multiply it. 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. You will get the answer. 2 to cancel. 1 by 3 is the answer. Here assertion and reason. For two events E and F, probability of E is 1 by 5, F is 1 by 2, and E given F is 1 by 5. Then the E and F are independent. What is the meaning of independent events? Probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. So this is your the method for independent. So now check probability of E, probability of F. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. It is nothing but 1 by 10. A intersection B answer est ಬರಬೇಕಾ 1 by 10. So now use that formula. Probability of E given F, probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. So E given F is 1 by 5 is equal to this. You can consider x divided by probability of F is 1 by 2. Cross multiply. This will comes this side. 1 by 5 into 1 by 2. Probability of E given E intersection F. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. It will be 1 by 10. Then statement assertion is correct. It means what? It is true. Now E and F are two independent events. Then F given is equal to probability of F. Absolutely correct. If they are independent events, probability of E given F. 1 minute, some space needed. Probability of E given F is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. If they are independent events, then this answer will be probability of E, probability of F divided by probability of F. This will cancel, you will get probability of E for E given F. Then here they are given F given E, then it will be F only, opposite this one. I hope you understood. So the both are true. Option C is correct. Both A and R are true. Now fill in the blanks. Cos of sec inverse of 2 minus sin inverse of root 1. Sin inverse of root 3 by 2, 60 degree. Sec inverse of 2, this will be minus. Sec inverse of 2, it means what? It is also pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 minus pi by 3, 0. Cos 0 is 1. The answer is 1. Sin inverse of cos x, then dy by dx. Sin inverse dabba. You have to use sin inverse of cos x. 1 divided by square root of 1 minus cos square x. Differentiation of cos x. Sin inverse of dabba formula. That is 1 by 1 minus dabba square into differentiation of dabba. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. 1 minus cos square is sin x, sin square x. minus sin x divided by sin x. Answer will be minus. What is the answer for this one? Minus 1. Integral the value of this one, x 13 7. 13 minus 7 6. The projection vector I plus j along the vector I minus j. So projection A on B. So A dot B divided by magnitude of B. So A dot B 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 divided by magnitude of B 1 plus 1 2. 0 by anything is 0. Answer is 0. So now A intersection B, probability of B, and A dash given B, it is nothing but 1 minus probability of A given B, 1 minus probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Then A intersection B is 4 by 13, probability of B is 9 by 13, 13 13 cancel, 1 minus 4 by 9, 9 minus 4 by 9. Then answer will be 5 by 9. For this one, answer will be 5 by 9. I hope this is the 2025 first question paper is solved. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So the next paper will be 2025 uh, two second question paper. This is 2025 second one. Sorry, it is repeated. Wait. Okay. The relation are in the set 1 2 3. Here also the same question. In last paper it was 1 2. Here it is 2 3. So some 2 3 is there, 1 2. So 1 2 means what? It is a transitive. Only one element is there, then it is a transitive. It is automatically transitive. So now the principal value branch of cot inverse x. The principal value of cot inverse, it is nothing but only range, open interval 0 to 5. Here sine inverse of sin x, sine of sine inverse x. Here you need to write the domain, here you need to write the range. That's it. X is defined for ranges, here it is defined for domain. So here x is the range. Yes, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 correct hai. If 0 to 5, then cos of cos inverse x, it should be minus 1 to 1. It should be minus 1 to 1. So this is not correct. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is false. I hope you clear. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Option C. 8 elements are there. Total number of possible matrices order 8. 1 into 8, 8 into 1, 2 into 4, 4 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 possibility. If A is a square matrix with the determinant of A is 8, then the value of A into A dash, already you know, A into A dash is equal to A into A dash and A into A, because determinant of A dash is equal to determinant of A. So that will be 8 into 8, it will be 64. Log of log x, log dabba, it will be 1 by log x differentiation of log x, 1 by x into log x, 1 by x into log x. Here y is equal to sine inverse x plus sine inverse of 1 minus x square, then divide by x. You can solve it separately also, the answer will be 0 only. Why? We can substitute x equal to sine theta, then you will get a sine inverse of sine theta plus sine inverse of 1 minus sine square is cos square becomes root cos theta, sine inverse of cos theta, sine inverse of sine theta theta. Here sine inverse of cos theta आंसर डिफरेंशिएशन के बाद -1, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 1, 1 minus 1 0. This is shortcut method, otherwise you can use the double method. So next question, 1 by x का डिफरेंशिएशन -1 by x square, e to the power x 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So the answer will be e to the power x 1 by x. This is the answer, e to the power x by x. And now 10th question. It is nothing but tan inverse of root 3 and 1. Tan inverse of root 3 minus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of root 3 कब आएगा 60 degree. This will be 45 degree. It means pi by 3 minus pi by 4. LCM will be 12. 4 pi minus 3 pi. That will be 5. Pi by 12, 15 degree. So the position vector of a point which divides the joint points of the position vector 3a minus 2b and a plus b externally in the ratio 2 and 1. Use the that section formula. So here it is, the another x2 y2 is there. It is x1 y1 and this is m. Use my2 ny1 divided by m plus n. It means mx2 mx1, and the second one is my2 n1 divided by m plus n. You will get the answer. Second one externally means what? You have to use the minus for that particular value. You will get some relation for b minus a something. Next, the value of x for this unit vector, you will get determinant of a, sorry, a vector divided by determinant of a crow x value मिलेगा. Direction cosines of negative z axis, then it should be minus 1. If A and B are two events such that probability of A given B is equal to B given A, then probability of A is equal to probability of B. If A and B are independent events such that 3, 0, 4 and 4, this is very simple. So this were asked in the fill in the blanks. So 0 0.3, 0 0.4, it will be 0.12. So option D. So now the value of cos pi by 6 tan inverse of pi by, this will be pi by 3, 60 degree, pi by 6. Cos 30 degree plus 60 degree, 90 degree, answer आएगा 0. Left hand derivative of mod x, already you know, minus 1. X minus x for x greater than 0, for x less than 0. Then differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ you will get 1 minus 1. The order of the differential equation, order they are asking, then it will be a 3. The projection of the vector on z-axis, this vector and second vector is only k. So this on a dot b, it means minus 2 into 1, minus 2 divided by 1. The answer will be minus 2. A is subset of B, then probability of B given A. A is subset of B, then probability of A intersection B will be probability of A. The answer will be A intersection B divided by probability of A. Probability of A divided by probability of A. Then the answer is 1. So I hope I solved this question paper. Now you have the last question paper, that is 2025 3. So now the first question, f या g, f of x and g of x are given, then what is f of g? So f of x is sin x, f of dabba will be sin dabba, f of g they are asking sin g. Sin of z is nothing but x square, sin of x square. So statement 1, matrix is a scalar matrix, and statement 2, every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. What is the definition of scalar matrix? Only diagonal elements are present and they are also same, but here they are not same, then it is not a scalar. Every scalar matrix is diagonal matrix, exactly, but not a wait, it means every scalar matrix 2 2 2 0 0 0. Here you can say it is a scalar and also diagonal, but all diagonal matrices are not a scalar. You have to remember, all scalar are diagonal, but diagonal are not scalar. You have to remember. Statement 2 is correct, statement 1 is false. If A is a matrix of order 3 cross 4 and B is a matrix such that A transpose B, B A transpose are both defined, then the order of the B matrix, don't worry, A is 3 4, A is 3 4. Next, B is a matrix such that A transpose B is defined. A transpose is B defined, then if you are assumed A transpose means what? It will be 4 cross 3, and you will get the this number na B. So for B you will get a 3 cross something dot. Then the final answer is 4 cross dabba. A transpose B, it will be 4 cross dabba. And now B into A transpose is also defined. B into A transpose. We don't know the order of the B matrix. We know the B 3 cross dabba is there. A transpose we know. What is that? 4 cross 3. And here it is. The final answer is it should be same na. It should be same. The B A transpose is 3 cross 3. These value has to be same, then only it is defined. So these values are same, then 4 is equal to dabba. So we will get the answer. 4 which one? B 3 cross dabba. Dabba value kitna mila? 4. 3 cross 4. And now let A be a non-singular matrix of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of A is 5. Then A into adjoint of A. Very simple. Determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A only. I hope you know something else. So adjoint of A into A, sorry, A is equal to A. A into adjoint of A or adjoint of A into A are equal to 1 minute. So A adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A are equal to 1 minute. So mm, the answer will be, I will give two answers. The answer will be adjoint of A or determinant of A. You can confirm it. Either answer will be 25 or 5. It means determinant of A square or adjoint of A will come. You can confirm it. Either A or B or C. Cos inverse of sin x. What is the cos inverse x differentiation? That is minus 1 by 1 minus x square. X value is sin. 1 minus sin square. It means here you will get cos inverse of sin x. Minus 1 by 1 minus sin square. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Minus cos x. 1 minus sin square is cos x. Differentiation of root of cos square is cos. Minus 1 is the answer. Log 5x, already I told you, log ex divided by log 5. Log ex का आंसर कितना? 1 by x. 1 by x into log 5 is the answer. The function x square minus 4x plus 6 is increasing in the interval. Very simple. What is the differentiation? 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So then 2x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So here it is 2, here it is minus infinity plus infinity. You will get a 2 interval. Minus infinity to 2, 2 to infinity. Increasing only they are asking. It should be a closed. And now minus a plus a decreasing a 2 plus a plus a increasing. So 2 to infinity is what a increasing. I hope. And here the particle moving in a straight line covers distance s centimeter, maybe it is 5 centimeter in time t second is given by, sorry, here it is s only, t cube 3t square 60 initial velocity of a particle. So here it is s differentiated 3t square 60 plus 6. And now initial velocity of a particle is moving in a straight line. So initial velocity of a particle, so whatever the time is there initial, that is 0, then answer is 6 centimeter per second. Here 1 plus tan x and tan square x. e to the power x. 1 plus tan square x is nothing but secant square x plus tan x as it is. Tan x का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है secant square x. Then e to the power x f plus f dash. So e to the power x f plus f dash will be e to the power x into f. E to the power x into tan x. The answer will be what? E to the power x into tan x. So now the answer is this one. The degree of the differential equation, very simple, degree. So you have to take that to this side, and d square is there, right? D square, this is the highest order, and you will get this is 2. The degree will be 2 itself, and this is the repeated question. And here, for the given, you should remember AB plus BC is equal to AC. This is correct sequence. And if you want to take AB plus BC, if it is minus CA, ये minus CA इधर आया तो AB plus BC plus CA, this is correct sequence, this is correct. And this AC इधर आया तो minus AC, this is also correct. And AB plus BC, if it is comes this side, if it is comes this side, it should be minus is already there, it should be plus. So this is the not true. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन, दिस इज ट्रू, बी सी को उल्टा किया माइनस सी भी आया तो करेक्ट है. सो दिस इज करेक्ट, दिस थ्री आर करेक्ट, दिस इज रॉन्ग. They are asking wrong, you should be focused on that also. And here it is very simple. If a line makes angle alpha beta gamma coordinate axis, we know already cos square alpha cos square beta cos square gamma is equal to 1. And we know cos square beta in terms of sin square, very simple. 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square. 1 1 1 कितना 3. एंड sin square alpha sin square gamma sin square alpha sin square beta sin square gamma. And you have to take this total value this side and 1 this side. 3 minus 1 is 2, and here it is, this is total your value, this value equal to 2. And this is also without replacement, 25 divided by 102 repeated question. And now probability of A given B is greater than probability of A, then which of the following is correct? Probability of A given B divided by A intersection B divided by probability of B, it is greater than probability of A. Then which of the following is not true? So which of the following is not true? No, it is correct. Which of the following is correct? So we are taking this probability of B that side. Probability of A intersection B is greater than probability of A into probability of B. So probability of A intersection B is less than Kotidara, then it is wrong. Then probability of A into B. So this is also B given A, na? So this is also wrong. Here it is, it should be greater than. So this one is correct. Here A given B is there, then B given A is there. Both are same. So this is correct. Now fill in the blanks. Tan square of sec inverse 2. Sec inverse 2 कब आएगा? Pi by 3. Tan square, tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? root 3 square. Cot square, cosec inverse of 3. Here is very biggest question. Cosec inverse of 3. Cosec inverse of 3 is defined. Cot square of cosec inverse of 3. You can write that cot square as a 1 plus cosec, sorry, cosec square x minus 1. Then here it is, 1 minute, I will write cot square of cosec inverse of 3, cosec square of cosec of 3 minus 1. Cosec का cosec inverse they get cancel. 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1, it will be 8. The answer of this one is 8 and this one is 3. 8 plus 3 will be 11. Modulus of x minus 5 is continuous but not differentiable at x equal to. x minus pi equal to 0 करो, x equal to 5. 1 by 1 plus cos 2x. We know the golden formula, 1 plus cos 2x 2 cos square x. So 1 by 2 उधर ही रहेगा. So 1 by 2 cos square x, 1 by 2 cos square ऊपर गए तो sec square x. Sec square x का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, tan x. So tan x range, the tan x range is 1 minute, pi by 4 minus pi by 4, pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 1 by 2 tan pi by 4 minus of minus tan pi by 4. So 1 minute, it does not have any space. By 2 tan of pi by 4 minus tan of minus pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, 1 by 1 1 only, minus 1 minus minus plus 2 divided by 2. Answer will be 1. So you sorry, for this answer is 1. You can do this one. This is homework for you. This is also a repeated question, you can do it. I hope if you understood all the things, thank you for that, and try to understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment, and answer 19th and 20 in comment box. Thank you, and wait for the next video. I will solve all three model question paper of the 2025 and 26. Okay, thank you, bye.